Assalamu alaikum, and in today's episode with Amna's Kitchen for All, we will be making pasta, but this time with smoky chicken, and the pasta will be smoky as well. So let's begin. We're gonna start off with our pan that already has our chopped up onion in it, and we just added 2 tablespoons of oil. And now we're going to add in 1/4 teaspoon of elaichi powder, half teaspoon zira, 2 teaspoons ginger and garlic paste, and half chopped tomato that we got canned, but you can just use a organic tomato. Chop that up. We're using smoked tomatoes. So here we're just going to simmer it. We're just making a sauce for the pasta. Now we're gonna start boiling our pasta. So we're taking a pot full of water and 1 teaspoon salt or to taste, 1 teaspoon black pepper, and 1 tablespoon oil. Okay, now we're putting in our pasta, which is 2.5 cups of macaroni, which is about 2 servings. So if you want to make more servings, put more. So we're just cooking it. It should have come to a boiling point and the pasta should look like this now. We went ahead and dumped it into the sauce in the pan. As you can see, now we're putting in our tomatoes. Alright, so now we're putting in our capsicum that we have chopped up. Putting this in now because if we put it in before while the sauce was cooking, the capsicum wouldn't show in the pasta and we want it to show. Now we are giving it the smoky flavor. To do that, we're just gonna put in a coal in aluminum foil. And we heated it up before we put it in, and then we just put some oil on top so it could get out the smoke that will cover up the whole pasta and give it the smoky flavor. Now for the chicken, we're going to take 2 teaspoons of ginger and garlic, 1 teaspoon of vinegar, 2 teaspoons of allspice, and a teaspoon of meat tenderizer, and then we're going to leave that to tenderize for an hour. Now we're just going to put it in our pot. We're going to put at least like 1/2 cup of water. There we go. Not even half, like 1/4. Alright, we're gonna smoke it by adding the same coal aluminum foil trick, and we will let the chicken cook until it is tender. And here is the finished result of this delicious dish. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, share, like, all that good stuff, and have a good day.